With just eggs and tuna, I made an amazing and budget-friendly dinner. Start by draining 2 cans of solid tuna. Press the tuna through a fine mesh strainer into a small bowl, add 2 whole eggs. Transfer all the tuna to a large bowl and add the eggs we've just beat. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, chives to taste, finely chopped, parsley to taste, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of salt, a generous pinch of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Get a small chunk in your hands and shape it into a ball. Into a large skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil. Now add all the tuna balls we've made and let them fry for 2 minutes. Into a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Flip all the tuna balls and let them fry for another 2 minutes. Next, remove the tuna balls from the skillet and drain the excess fat on a plate lined with paper towels. Thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.